Trader, we got people getting rich. We have WULF. And we have a nice breakout, just like OKLO. This has been added to buy now, pay later. It's up nicely. It's up 83 cents on good volume, 50.5 million shares on this $5 stock today. The low when we bought it was at $5, and I bought it on buy now, pay later. Why not? I get an entry cheap, and my payout is going to be huge. Once again, we know how to pick the winners. Do you want winners? If you want winners, then you will call me about this trade and you will be power invested. Again, you're going to have a good time. That is entirely, do you want a good time? I know that you do. That's why I'm bringing it to you here and now. And it's the greatest one around.